In this video, we're gonna take a look at CLOSE and PipeDrive to see which one is better between these two. So basically, CLOSE is built for outbound heavy sales teams with strong built-in communication tools, and PipeDrive excels at visual pipeline management and simplicity. Now, the pros and cons. So we have the pros for CLOSE CRM, built-in calling, SMS and email. PipeDrive, we have visual pipeline and automation. Now the cons, less ideal for field sales or external tools, and PipeDrive limited outreach tools like calling and or SMS. So choose CLOSE for calling heavy workflows or PipeDrive for streamlined deal tracking. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.